When we talk about the future of luxury living in Hyderabad, yes, one location is dominating every investor is talking about. That is called Neopolis.
Destination that is rapidly transforming into Hyderabad's most premium and futuristic residential zone. And today we are here to showcase one of the most prestigious upcoming luxury developments in this prime location. Fortune Grande by Sri Srinivasa Infra.
One of the prominent names associated with the DSR ecosystem.
SSI Fortune Grande is not just another apartment project. This is a large-scale luxury community designed for modern high-end living, spread across an impressive 12 acres of prime land in Neopolis. 6 iconic high-rise towers rising up to G+45 floors, all 3.5 and 4 BHK only. Sizes will be 2909 to 3910 square feet only, with 1 lakhs SFT clubhouse. And one of the biggest highlights of this development is its massive 7.5 acre landscaped central park. In a fast growing urban environment, having this much open green space is truly exceptional.
And what makes this project stand out, execute overall well?
And execution, from tower placement to ventilation to open views and premium spacing, everything here is designed to create a luxurious living experience. Unlike many crowded developments, SSI Fortune Grande focus on providing residents with privacy, openness and premium lifestyle atmosphere.
These homes are designed for families who want space, comfort, elegance and a luxury lifestyle experience. Luxury today is not just about owning a flat, it's about the lifestyle that comes with it. The project is planned with premium lifestyle, a grand clubhouse, multi-purpose hall, mini theatre, guest rooms, terrace swimming pool, co-working spaces, senior citizen rooms, conference rooms, indoor games, spa, fitness areas, badminton, pickleball, basketball and tennis courts, kids play zones, cafeteria.
This is a project designed for every generation, from children to senior citizens. One of the strongest advantages of this project is definitely its location, and it's called Neopolis. Kokapet is already becoming Hyderabad's luxury hotspot. The connectivity from here is excellent. Financial district, Gachibowli, outer ring road, international schools, IT hubs, premium commercial zones. Everything is just minutes away. This location is expected to become one of the most valuable residential corridors in Hyderabad over the next decade.
From an investment's perspective, this project enters the market at a very interesting stage. The current price starts around 10,500 per square feet. And according to the current market trends and future infrastructure growth, many experts believe Neopolis has the potential to reach 20 to 25,000 per square feet within the next 6 to 8 years.
Which means an early investor today could benefit from a strong appreciation and a premium unit selection.
Luxury living,
Future growth,
prime location and iconic high-rise lifestyle. SSI Fortune Grande is truly positioned to become one of the landmark luxury developments in Neopolis, Kokapet.
మీకు ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ గురించి మరింత ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కావాలంటే
కింద స్క్రోల్ అవుతున్న నంబర్ కి కాల్ చేయండి.
మీకు ఇలాంటి మరెన్నో ఎగ్జైటింగ్ డీల్స్ కోసం గోల్డెన్ డేస్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ని
సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, ఫాలో చేయండి.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.